Today, we're doing a taste test on, check that out. That's blueberries, folks. That's blueberries. And right there is your label. Okay, this cheese we picked out yesterday at H-E-B. We love H-E-B. Summerdale, Wensleydale with blueberries. Okay, so we're over here on Sommerdale.com. SOMERDALE.com. It's a light and creamy with a hint of sharpness. That's good. Wensleydale is a perfect partner for fruit, and blueberries are no exception. Juicy blueberries add a little sweetness along with a touch of tartness, which perfectly complements in Wensleydale cheese. The flavors are locked in by coating the wheels in a generous wax seal. Well, there's your wax seal right there. Deep in blue color, enhancing the appearance. Wensleydale is one of the oldest British cheese varieties, with records showing Cicerone monks producing it as far back as 1150. It was that's about when I woke up today. It was originally made with sheep's milk, but over time the formula changed to use cow's milk, as is the case of this day, to this day. All right, so let's get it on. Alright, I think I'm going to cut just like right there. Why not? Oh, that wax. Okay, that's kind of different.
Crumbly.
Crumbly. That's the way she turned out.
It smells sweet.
You can smell the blueberries in it.
It smells like a blueberry
nice
muffin.
one. Yeah, it does smell like a blueberry muffin. What did we have this morning? Blueberry muffins.
I want the part with the blueberry.
Well, I think we had it for lunch. Oh, I mean, this blueberry is like strong, okay, in it.
I'm trying one with the blueberry.
Let's go for it.
3.
You don't like that? It's like eating the blueberry batter before you cook it. You don't like that? Here, eat just the blueberry. Nice and soft. Oh, it says little girls under 12 won't like it. No. I like this.
I want a piece with just the cheese.
Just the cheese? It's got little bits of blueberry down in there. Well, there you have it. If you're an old man like me, you need to go to Sommerdale.com and get you some of this cheese. If you're a little girl like her, skip it. I like that.
It's
All
like
right.
Blueberry yogurt.
Okay, so I'll keep them interested here for a minute. Go see what Gigi thinks. So while she's gone, I'm gonna let you know this. She's the one that wants to do cheese reviews and stuff, and she sees these cheeses and she goes, I gotta have that one. And used to, before YouTube times, she would just see cheeses and sauces and all kinds of stuff, and she'd say, get that one, get that one, get that one. And we'd almost do a review without videotaping it. Nowadays, we got another one over here. We're gonna do this one next. This one is buffalo wing hot sauce cheddar. I'm not a big buffalo wing sauce person. Why did I say sauce? Oh, but anyway, for her, we're gonna try this one. She likes it. So if you're an old woman, oh, did I say that? You're gonna like the cheese too. All right, we're gonna cut this video off. Y'all have a fantastic time. It's Papa. It's Papa, Texas. See ya.
Don't get
Where's your
blueberry
thumb?
cheese.
Yeah. Stay blessed.